Just Sunday.
You alright?
Alright, on the AIS, you were doing speed over ground 5.4 knots, over. So, Steve's speed log thing's not working on his boat, he was saying earlier. I tell you what, this is so cool, eh? So, I'm getting a bit pushed around here by the current. But you can see here, I just hover over dusk, boom, boom, and I can see exactly what's crack-a-lacking. So, here we go. He sped up a little bit. Man, this is so cool, eh? So look, it's even showing this little ship all the way out here. We say little ship, it's probably something massive. So Class A, he's underway. He's gonna cross pass at 7 nautical miles away, and he's going 14.6 knots. Let's see this one here. My man, what are you gonna do? Well, he's gonna cross pass at 9.4 nautical miles away. He's trying at 13 knots. I might adjust course a little bit. I'm heading to the wrong port. See, this is how we do it here, I'll show you. There we go. Press that button a few times. And look, if I zoom in, dusk is still behind us because they've only gotten a Mel, Super Maramoo. They're not as fast as a good old Beneteau 46, are they? And he can't even lie to me. He's only going 6.5 knots. Actually, we're going 6.1 knots. Wow.
Can I have a glass of water?
No, I'm the captain, I'm driving the boat, I'm gonna go do stuff. I've gotta go do captain stuff.
Please.
I can't be pouring water for the crew. Here you go, sweet cheeks. There's actually a dog parent, I'm sorry. It's floating on top, do you see it? Get used to walking around on a sailboat again. It's been a few months.
I'm gonna go make some lunch.
We see what this, how this looks, eh?
Yeah. Your sail's flapping.
Oh yeah, I better fix that one too. That fishing vessel there does have AIS. Thank you. What are you doing, buddy? The dolphins around, eh?
What are you doing?
Mate just wants to pee. What are you doing, mate? You know you're not meant to be up there. God.
Last time we did that, there was dolphins.
That a boy. Okay, come on, jump downstairs. Let's go. Come on, mate. Alright, that cargo ship is so big. That's just a normal cargo ship just over 2 nautical miles away. And then that's the big cargo ship. That's 1.8 nautical miles away. They're about this, almost the same distance apart. And this one here is that size. And that one there is that size. Holy shit. So he is, it says length, 0.189 nautical miles. And he's 140 foot wide. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna move Jackson's water bowl. So we got no spray hood, right? But Jackson's dog crate acts like a bit of a windbreaker. So you know how I used to like sit here and I don't get any cold wind in my face? Come on, spin around, show the crate. So this crate acts like a windbreaker. So this is what we did last winter, right? I pulled this up and I sat like this. It was good, but it's not that comfortable, right? But check this out. Look. Now we've got these seats, right? So now I can actually kick back. Oh, yes! And I can sit in the radar and the AIS thing like right here. Just kind of... Isn't that good? We don't need a spray hood anymore.
Sitting here, eating chocolate. While Ryan sits above me, filming.
I got the Insta360. I was gonna film you filming yourself, and I was just gonna be like, this, ready? Whoa!
So, watching the sunset while I eat my Lindt chocolate with hazelnuts. You're such a dickhead. Ryan's having a great old time with his Insta360 and his new AIS, driving me nuts. Such an idiot. It does feel good to be back out on the water. I'm trying to have fun. Just have to get this first one out of the way, I think. This first trip. I'm thankful because it's been pretty hectic out here for the past couple months, but it's dead flat. We have beautiful sailing conditions, but the wind's coming directly where we need to go. We don't really have a lot of wiggle room to just play around. So we kind of just have to go straight there. But right now, the way the wind's coming, if we were sailing, we'd be going to Malta and not Tunisia.
Got the radar on here. I think you can see Brittnis sleeping on the couch. There's our AIS, there's dust next to us there, cruising along nicely. We're trying to maintain just like an average of 6 knots. I took the cushion off the couch. Now I've got up. Jackson's taking my spot. Anyway, let's see if you can see outside because it's quite a lot of light outside with the moon. It looks epic. Oh. Cockpit out here. Freezing cold without a spray hood. Look at that, eh? There's dusk over there. Oh man, look at that. It's like pitch black out here. And I put the camera facing the moon and you can see everything. I gotta say though, it is a little different without Finny around. You just kind of miss that little guy that just kind of snuggles up next to you when you're laying there, or you know what I mean? It is tough. You know, Finn's just usually always just there. Oh, I'm gonna get down for a little bit, it's freezing cold. Jackson, you went to the toilet up on deck before, didn't you? Yes, you did. Oh, what a beautiful morning. It's been an amazing night. The moon was out, it was so bright, and it was flat. The only problem is we're motoring. As you can see, we've got a little bit of wind again. It's just been on our nose the whole time. And if it wasn't for COVID times, we would have sailed this whole crossing, because we'd arrive tomorrow morning and it would have been just chilled out, sailing at 5 knots. It would have been perfect. Instead, we have to do a COVID test and we got to get in here before tonight. Anyway, no, it's just frustrating. Anyway, doesn't matter, we're motoring, we're here. We got Dusk over there. We got Jackson here. What's a brekkie? Do you want a treat? Jackson, do you want a treat? Yeah. You would have heard this, it's probably already up. Oh yeah, yeah, buddy. Ah, good boy. Look, Brittnis fill her eggs. No one cares about your eggs.
Don't, they look like shit.
What happened to that one?
I told you my pants stuck.
Do we get a plate or is this how we live now?
No, you don't. I want to do dishes. Come on. Come on. Ryan! I'm not going to be able to give you the Heimlich maneuver.
Started by the ducks.
You are a mess.
Oh, I just wiped the counter.
Right.
I just cleaned this.
Oh, there we go. I'm just trimming the sails. So here we go, 5 o'clock. So we'll get there probably about 3 hours time. Italian flag's definitely seen better days, huh?
Yeah.
Da 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 da. What? Da 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 da.
There we go, Tracy and Steve working hard for it. Da 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 da.
Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Look at him go. This will be the first time in our whole journey they've come in front. Hey Brittany! Dusk is beating us now! It's always a race when there's two boats, eh? It's always a race. They're closing in, they're closing in. The racing in both of them would be sitting there freaking out right now, trying to get in front, I guarantee you. What do you think, baby cakes?
We just sailed to Africa. We're in Africa!
I've never been to Africa before.
Africa! 15 people asking to do something. That was the most hectic birthing situation. Cheers to sailing to North Africa.